Welcome back, students. In this lesson, we will take architectural symbols. Our first tool is disconnection symbol. Choose the first point and second point. Our next tool is pipe cutting symbol. Select the first line and second line. Another time. We done it. Next tool is entrance arrow. This command is used to create entrance arrow from four side. Click first leader point, then second end point. Another time. Also another one. Next tool is symmetry axis. Command is used to draw symmetry axis in one time. Click first point and second point. See you again.